Cook dinner.
I cook dinner for my family every night.
Set the table.
I set the table before dinner.
Clean up.
After dinner, we clean up the kitchen.
Get ready for bed.
I get ready for bed around 10 p.m.
Take a shower. Take a bath.
I take a shower before going to bed.
Read a book.
I read a book before sleeping.
Watch TV.
They watch TV for a while in the evening.
Brush my teeth.
Don't forget to brush your teeth before bed.
Floss.
I floss my teeth after brushing.
Apply moisturizer.
I apply moisturizer to my face before bed.
Prepare clothes for the next day.
I prepare clothes for the next day before bed.
Turn off the lights.
I turn off the lights before going to sleep.
Set the alarm.
I set the alarm for the next morning.
Reflect on the day.
I reflect on the day before falling asleep.